coming out of school, it can be a little scary. You know, you don't know really which way to go, which industry you're supposed to look at.
Transitioning into the workforce is often overwhelming.
We believe strongly that it's important for our employees to get a good sound foundation on the company's culture, and then also for them to continue their development as safety and health professionals so they can be successful in the long run for Georgia-Pacific.
And I think that's something that all my other classmates didn't really have. It was, you're a safety professional now and this is what you're going to be doing, and go at it. You learned in school, you have your degree. Georgia-Pacific kind of guided me along what I needed to do, how to go about it, and also provided that mentorship.
We provide several months at the headquarters where you can network with a lot of capability leaders, get to meet them on a one-on-one basis.
You know, you're meeting divisional leaders, safety and production. You're getting kind of a GP 101 course.
So when you think about Georgia-Pacific, there are so many different businesses that you can be a part of. Having that ELP program and being exposed to all of those businesses lets you pick where you want to be.
And that's also what I love about GP is the diversity of where you can work. I was very set on being at a very small facility when I first came in, and I'm placed at one of our bigger mills, one of our paper mills, and I've loved every second being here. I've learned more than I ever could imagine.
When I first got here, kind of the expectation is, hey, you know, get to know the facility, get to know the process.
You know, when they're first onboarding, there's clearly a lot more interaction between myself and an ELP. We have to get them the tools and the knowledge of how to even maneuver around a facility, you know, such as this. And, you know, once we feel that they've kind of taken it all in, we'll then start to pull back a little bit and give them some more space and let them start exploring and obtaining their own knowledge.
One thing that I was really passionate about was training. And my mentor challenged me and said, okay, well, what type of training? And then that's when I was like, oh, you're gonna let me do this, okay.
They bring a lot of value to me personally and to the mill, because as a safety leader, you always need more resources.
So as an ELP, the biggest activity I got involved with was we were doing a winder safety upgrade, so I ended up being the safety lead for that. It's like a $4 million project, so that was really awesome.
Specifically, I try and help with our confined space permitting and monitoring. I usually go right to the control room and say, how are we doing today? Do we have any concerns? That sort of thing. See if we are keeping our guards on. Do we have, you know, hoses left on the floor? Just general housekeeping is a good, I would say, walk-around strategy.
The most rewarding thing to me was getting out on the floor and talking with the people every day. We usually have about 100 contractors on site. I would always say, let's just go through the safe work permit together. Talk about the hazards that are on the safe work permit. Is there a better way that we can do this, or is there a safer way that we can do it?
And it's good to see when supervisors and department heads and other management are relying on an ELP to help them with situations and things like that. So they really bring a lot of value to the table.
When we recruit ELPs, we're looking for strong students that have a strong background technically in safety and health, but we're really looking for characteristics that will help them be successful at Georgia-Pacific.
Somebody that displays good initiative, good judgment, good economic and critical thinking skills, all with the discipline and sense of urgency.
So they have to be very adaptable, they have to be very humble, they have to be willing to make mistakes and learn from their mistakes.
Be open-minded, work hard, and then you'll get out and get to a location you want to be at.
If you want to specialize in whether it's industrial hygiene, you know, you can do that, or ergonomics. If you want to go to lumber, paper, if you want to go to a different coat company, you can, because there's opportunity everywhere.
But I was definitely thrilled that not only did Georgia-Pacific pick me, but I picked Georgia-Pacific.